Hello there! You know, accidents can sometimes happen, and you would be surprised at how many inquiries we get from people asking us how to repair a damaged canvas. So in today's lesson, we're going to show you how easy it is. So let's get into it. Of course, there will be no repair on a painted canvas that will be undetectable, basically because you can't fill the gap with a filler like modelling paste. But it always looks better than a huge rip like is the case here. First, we need to cut a patch from an old offcut of canvas that is larger than the damaged area. So we draw up a rectangular shape and radius the corners. Curved corners are less inclined to lift in the future. Then use a hobby knife to neatly cut out the shape. Turn the canvas over, lay the patch over the damaged area and use a pencil to draw a profile line around the patch so that we know where to apply the glue. The glue we're going to use is Montmartre Craft Glue. Apply this liberally to the patch and to the back of the canvas and use a flat brush to evenly distribute the glue. Lay the patch over the area, place a sheet of wax paper over the patch and then weight the area with a number of books. This can be left to sit until the glue dries. This will be dependent on the temperature but can take up to 48 hours in most cases. Then remove the books and we can reapply the paint over the damaged area. You'll have to cast your mind back to how you originally painted the area. When you are applying the paint, you might like to add the paint a little bit thicker into the damaged area. And there you go, you can enjoy your painting again.